How to hide when you're online on TikTok.
To start out, go to your profile page. You can reach this by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the icon with three horizontal lines, located in the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. If your page looks a little bit different than this, try looking in the top right corner for a gear icon. Sometimes TikTok puts it there for some reason. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy. Now here, two down, you can see this section that says Activity Status. When this is turned on, people will be able to see when you're online on TikTok. So if you want to turn this off so people, don't know when you're online, just go ahead and tap on that toggle. You can see now my activity status will be turned off. Nobody will be able to see it. If you like this feature and you want people to know when you're online, go ahead and turn it on. That's it. Before you go, check this out.